very big expectation that to only MCA students are participating today. I'm very happy that Mr. Nanda Kumar he's coming from 2008 and 2009 till now. Every year he'll keep on coming for our college for campus life. This year he taken a very big chance of getting into MCA. I thank for that, sir, and also I welcome you for this campus life to Veltech University, sir. And Mr. Pradeep Kumar, he say he is very new to this company, but I don't feel that he is very new to this company. His casualness, I feel that he may be working more than 2 to 3 years, and also every year. Like he'll be calling, like Nanda Kumar sir, he'll be calling, sir, please come to my office, I want to discuss. I will be going there and we'll be meeting just for cordial visit. I'll be thinking that. But he'll be giving a very good chance of, sir, we'll be coming to your campus for a campus drive. Suddenly, yesterday also there was a drive. Today also he has a drive. We have accepted our invitation. It's our pleasure to invite you for the campus drive, sir. And also, see, most probably you worried about there will be some PE Tech students also will be available, more competent. Today, it's your own branch, they have a lot of requirements. You openly said that there are 40 to 50 requirements are there, sir. Whoever do well, whoever pass the test, who have a very good communication skill and other thing, they will be getting the board. So, I pray to God everything getting to success. And I ask Mr. Karthik and Ramachandran to issue bouquet to our Nanda Kumar sir and Pradeep sir. Wait. Come inside. Thank you, sir. So, Nanda Kumar sir, please explain what was the process and other things. What is the next road of the things, right?
Like as your placement officer pointed out, we are actually looking out for MCA graduates because I'm also an MCA graduate, to be frank, and I know the depth in which we have studied the languages. And today's interview, like we're not going to have any kind of discussions and all. Like only thing we're going to do is we're going to write some examinations today. 5 questions. Of 5 programs, and the 5 programs you're going to write, I don't want you to like follow your language. If you're good in C, write in C. If you're good in Java, go ahead. If you're good in C#, go ahead. And you keep yourself updated. If you're good in jQuery, go ahead, write it in your own language. All I'm seeing, what I'm going to see in your paper is just the logic that you're going to put in. Because like for example, let's take addition, A plus B is equal to C. That's a simple logic which even a UG guy can do. But if you could insert a pointer or a function or something, some new topic which makes you separate, that is what we are looking for. A good programmer will use these topics, what he has studied, all the programs he's going to use. So use the logics. For example, C, you can call for functions, pointers, structures. You're going for Java, again, you're going for C#, you can use delegates, use generics. Make use of garbage collection, make use of CLR. Use these topics and write your programs with good logic. Like, if you do that, the place Protech is a good place to grow. We recognize students with talents. I'm not looking for your communication, I'm not looking for your marks and those. They should have told you that. Because, a guy with low marks has a good logic. It's happening now. So, I'm looking for the logic. So express your logic as far as you can. There are simple programs, but this simple program should not be written very simply. I need you to put in your logic, and yeah guys, all the best for the test. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Okay, see, I don't want a mic because it's a very small gathering. I think I can, am I audible? Just like that? Okay. See, as my colleague Mr. Pradeep told you, this test that is going to be conducted today is all about logic. Okay, see, it is a coding test. I'm not denying that fact. Okay, but what we are looking into more in terms of performances, how good are you in the logic, whatever the logic that is expected from you in the question paper. Okay. So, see, the question paper is common. Actually, I don't have a different question paper for different people, but I have two different codes. But it's common. Okay, two codes and it's common. The thing is, you just, after receiving the question paper, you take 5 minutes and just run through the logic. Okay, first understand what is being asked in the question paper. Then you decide which language you are comfortable with. For example, he was mentioning about addition program, right? Is it possible to do an addition program in C programming? Is it possible in Java? C#? Yes. So, the coding doesn't matter. Whichever code you are comfortable in, you can probably attempt the logic in the particular language. Okay? It's not that you have to write only in C, you have to write only in Java or something like that. Each and every one of you will have different set of interests, right? Somebody will have interest in C, somebody will have interest in their interest in C#, and somebody else will have their interest in Java, right? Okay. So we basically have requirements for C, Android, and C#. Okay. Android in the sense, Android is based on core Java. Okay. And I'm looking for people for Android, C, and C#.net. Okay. So what I'm telling you is, don't worry about the coding language. Whichever language is comfortable to you, you can probably attempt in that and try to come out with the answers for the particular logic. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. After receiving the question paper, if you have any doubts in understanding the questions, please ask us. We will clarify you. Okay, fine. Anything else that you want to know about the process or something like that? See, it's, as your placement officer told you, this is a golden opportunity just because you are not clubbed with either Tech or even MCS from other colleges. See, only your college students are here. So you have a very good opportunity to come inside the company. See, yesterday when I went to the other campus and even the previous years, what we are seeing constantly is students, I won't say students are not technically good. There are many people who are technically very sound, but the basic weakness which I am seeing in the student is they are not able to understand the logic in the question paper. First of all, see, the logic will be simple, but the student makes it complicated and thinks that it is very complicated, and he or she is not able to code for a particular logic. So avoid that. Just understand the logic first. It doesn't matter if you your syntax and other things comes next. Only when you know the logic, you can solve the programs, right? Without knowing the logic, even if you are a big in programming, that's of no use. So we are going to give more importance to logic and also coding. It doesn't mean if the coding is very bad, we cannot take, right? So you give your importance to logic first. Then take a language of your interest and then try to solve the logic in the particular language. Okay, and try to use the same language for all the 5 questions. Don't do one in C, one in Java, avoid doing that because you will not be able to find out which language will be comfortable with. Right? So do that. We'll be giving you the question papers and the answer sheets right now. If you want extra sheets, you can take it. Your timing will be 1.5 hours. The time of test will be for 1.5 hours. After completing your test, don't leave. We will have a small interaction with you. We both will have a small interaction with each and every one of you individually. Okay? Once you finish the test, you just come to us. We will have an interaction. That interaction is not an interview. I'm telling you, the interaction is not an interview. It's just to find out about yourself in a short span of time.